prepare for what could probably be the best buying opportunity that we see of 2024. What do I mean? If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me subscribe. I'm still here. Is that too fast? I'm still here in Stellar Island, chilling. This is stunning. You must come and see Stellar Island if you have not seen it. The place is so damn nice. Yeah. So what do I mean? Well, we saw prices go up over the last few months. I'm going to give you a technical analysis video, show you what I see in the charts. Hopefully it can guide you on your journey. I feel like we may see a massive buying opportunity because as prices have gone up over the last 2 months, we haven't seen a healthy correction yet, big enough to shake out the weak hands and give smart investors an opportunity to buy more. So this is what I think is going to happen. Let me show you. And by the way, this is not financial advice. Do your further research before you invest your money, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, hopefully this can guide you on your journey. So what am I talking about? Well, let me quickly show you this. Flip my screen around. So right now I have, this is the oh, just broke my bloody tripod. Here we go. This is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. No, this is the total market cap. So this is all altcoins. This is all altcoins, and it's gonna be relevant for everyone that's holding any type of altcoins. Excluding Bitcoin, excluding Ethereum, means Bitcoin's price is not in this, or the money that's in Bitcoin is not in this. The money that is in Ethereum is not in this. It's just altcoins. Take a look at where we've been. We've been up here for a while now, right up into my blue zone. You know, patrons, you know, you've seen the time capsule video. I'm going to release that soon to everyone else. This is the buy zone. Sorry, this is the zone, the sell zone, where I was looking to maybe consider taking some profits, because I felt like once it comes into this blue bar, after all the excitement, we may see a pullback, right? RSI, right? We came up into these gold dotted lines, which was my window of opportunity to maybe consider taking some profits. At least I felt that would be the best place, because we saw it in the past. And every time we've been up here in the past, this is where we've seen euphoric pumps, and then we always see a sell-off, right? A sell-off afterwards, which I've been guessing. Are we gonna see some form of a sell-off? And if we do, how low is it gonna go? I'm going to show you price targets of where I think it can go. And this, if it happens, altcoins will bleed, unfortunately. We will see a capitulation event where people sell off, the weak hands will sell, and the smart money will buy when it gets down here, when everybody thinks it's going to be going lower, right? So we need to really think about what we're doing here when it comes to investing in crypto. Let me just change this, because all you need is this one chart, which is this one here, the pi cycle, and I've got this on the daily time frame. Bitcoin, let's just focus on this, because if Bitcoin falls, the rest of the market falls. Last time I showed you a video on this, I said to you we could probably see prices go down to about 52,000, 53,000, but I forgot to mention that this orange line is slowly moving up. So the good news is, if it does fall down to this orange line, I'm moving it up now, maybe we'll see it come down, you know, right down to sort of here, which is around $54,000. If we see prices fall, I'll be looking at the $54,000 mark. But this is going to continue to rise, okay? So it might go up even more as time goes on. Right now, Bitcoin's trading up here, which is around, you can see it, $70,000. So, I mean, people might get bullish. You might, over the next few weeks, you might see this. You might see Bitcoin come up like this, you know, come up towards this green line, and then it goes to like $76,000. That's still a possibility. That is still a possibility that could happen. And then it prints a new all-time high. Everybody gets excited thinking we're going to the moon, we're going to $100,000, and then it shifts on itself, and then it comes crashing straight back down to this orange line, right? So I just want to give you the realism, right? Because sometimes people get misled into price action and thinking they're going up and up and up. And the reason I'm saying this is because it must come above this green line that's also moving up. If it does not come above this green line, we're just basically underneath it still, which shows signs of weakness, right? So yes, it could make another little high, but it's not got above the green line. It shows sign of weakness. And what happens in the past, do we know with this pi cycle? Now for those that knew, pi cycle is supposed to call tops. It's used to call tops, but I've seen other ways to use this where we can spot other different ways of analysis with this pi cycle. And I'll give you an example right here in the last sort of 2016, 2017 cycle. Look at this, and it just shows you so clean. Price action went up to the green line, fell down to the orange line. See it? Up to the green line, down to the orange line. It does it all the time. Right here. Price action up to here, down to the orange. Up, orange. The only time you see Bitcoin go absolutely parabolic like this is when it finally breaks above this green line. You see here, and it holds candles above it, and then we start holding a lot more candles above it as support. Okay, we saw one little drop here, but it got bought straight back up, and then it held support right here. You can see it held support right here. Just put the cursor here, right here, held support, and then it bounced off again, and it just kept using it as support. And then eventually this orange line came up, and then it crossed with the green line, which marked the absolute top right there. Boom. That's what we're looking for. So even though we might see prices fall down, it's not going to be the end of the world. I still think that we're going to have an opportunity to sell at the top. I don't think the top is in yet for Bitcoin. I think we can see more highs, right? But I still think that we have to pay attention to the realistic side of things of this chart, because it could come down to this orange line, which again is sitting about $54,000, almost $55,000, $54,700 if it comes down there, right? But eventually, some point, this orange line is going to cross with the green line, and then we're going to see the top. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. If it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Hope you're having a good day. I know you're seeing some videos of me at home. They were pre-recorded. I've got my new ones now. They're pre-recorded ones. Yeah, just trying to, keep myself active, because when I go away on a holiday, I try not to do too much work. But I'm still here working now. So it is what it is. Sharing helpful content to you guys that can keep guiding you on your journey. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave it here. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.